In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size, style, and color on Shopify 2025 Theme Customization Guide. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, open Sales Channels and choose Online Store. This takes you to your themes. Click Edit Theme to launch the theme editor, where all of your visual settings live and changes can be previewed in real time. Inside the editor, open the Theme Settings panel on the left, then head to Typography. You'll see your current body and heading fonts. Many themes start with Inter as the body font. Click the font selector to browse options. You'll notice familiar system-safe families like SF Mono, Helvetica, New York, and System UI. These are great for performance because they typically load instantly. You may also see a note explaining that certain web fonts are downloaded on a visitor's device and can slow load times. Keep that in mind as you experiment. Scroll through web font choices, such as Able, Acme, or Archivo Black, and when you find a look that fits your brand, click Select to apply it. Aim for a font pair that balances readability with personality. If your theme exposes font weight or size controls in this section, this is where you fine-tune the scale of headings and paragraphs so they feel consistent across pages. Next, still in Theme Settings, open Page Layout. This area influences how your typography sits within the page width and spacing, which affects legibility. Once you've checked that, move to Colors. You'll see your active color scheme with multiple swatches. Click each swatch to open the color picker and adjust your key tokens, such as text, accents, buttons, and link states. Make small changes and watch the preview update so you can judge contrast in context. Pay special attention to the background color. A subtle shift here can dramatically change the tone of your storefront. Choose a background that keeps body text readable and makes your main call to action stand out. If your theme offers multiple schemes, keep them cohesive, so sections across your store feel unified. When you're happy with both typography and colors, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Your changes will be published to the live theme. As a quick wrap-up tip, keep accessibility in mind by maintaining strong contrast between text and background, limit yourself to 1 or 2 font families for a clean visual system, and preview on desktop and mobile to confirm everything looks great. That's it. Your Shopify storefront now reflects your brand's fonts and colors with a polished, professional